So if you're looking for a camp, I found a cool little spot right here. It's on a state maintained road. It's a gravel road. Access is pretty good. So this piece of property has a little junky camper on it. I don't know if it's usable or not, but it has a nice outbuilding on it, which you could use for storing all your goodies and maybe a four-wheeler or whatever. There's a drilled water well. There's electricity there handy. Bunch of land right there to hunt on. 31.43 acres is what it's claiming. It's in two different parcels. One is a little narrow parcel here where the camper is, and then it crosses the creek, crosses Green Creek, and then goes over to the other side and has a bunch of hills and woods and just pretty land. It has a nice stream that goes through it. It's really pretty, like picturesque stream. Not too terribly far out of Charleston. Probably take you about, 35 minutes or so. So if you're looking for some place where you'd like to go out for a camping weekend type deal, have a little fun, ride the four-wheelers through all the roads. There's miles and miles and miles of old country roads back through that area of the county. It's in Roane County, so it's a little bit cheaper on taxes as opposed to jumping across the line into Kanawha. It's not too far from the Kanawha County line. The building right there is what I was talking about. Be a good storage spot for a side-by-side or camping gear, or what have you. So there's a nice fire pit there beside the camper too, which would be great in the evenings. Anyway, give us a call, 304-377-3758, or you can send me an email or a text. Of course, you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is the first place that our new listings go to, and you can watch all the great, beautiful country that we have out there right now. And look at those woods. Isn't that so green and pretty? I really love it. Anyway, I'm Mike Greenlee, broker for Old Fences Realty. Thank you so much for watching our videos.